Hi, my name is Fazl Rahman and we are going to discuss how can we make a conversion tags for the Google Ads. So basically, there is two ways to make a conversion tags for the Google Ad. First is you can make through the Google Tag Manager. Then the other is you can import the event from the GA4 to the Google Ads. And the third method would be if you put the direct uh, snippet in the backend of your website, then this can be work. So now we are going to discuss how can we make it through the Google Tag Manager. So we are in the Google Tag Manager. You can see that. So this is our website. So the condition is that if I want to track this button and send this information to the Google Ads, so how can we do that? Basically, basic concept is that when someone come on the Google and search the query, and he will see our Google Ads, and when he click on the Google Ads and through the Google Ads he come on our website. Then if he click on this button, then this conversion will be count. And so let first we have to make a trigger for this button. So this is you have to come on the Google Tag Manager and you will see this trigger. And so you have to click on the new and click on the trigger configuration. There is a multiple options. All elements just link because I am just making the trigger for always as someone click on this button. So button contain the text. So my condition would be that my trigger would be work when someone click on this text. So I will choose the variable text on. So you have to click all element because we are choosing specific button, so we need specific text. So you have to click on this and choose the variable, click on the text. I think you would understand the concept because I am selecting that when someone click on this specific text, then my trigger will work. Therefore, I am choosing this variable. So you have to provide this specific text here. So you have to copy and paste this text. So let's click and you have to name this trigger. So this will be the button click trigger. I name it. So you have to save it. Now our trigger has been generated, but now we have to make our tag. So for this, you have to click on the tag. Now we have to make a tag for the Google Ads which send this conversion to the Google Ads. For this, you have to click on the new, click on the tag configuration. You will see and this is the built-in option present in the Google tags. You have to click on this. So there's a multiple option. Do not need to confuse. So first is the Google tag, and basically you have to provide the Google ad ID for this tag because this optimize and direct link with the Google ads. So first of all we have to create this tag. So you have to provide the Google Ads ID. So for this we have to go to the Google Ads account to collect our Google Ad ID. So this is my Google Ad account. This is a new account I just created now for this recording the video. So there's a multiple option: campaign, goal, tool, billing, admin. So you have to click on the tool because we need a Google Ad ID. So you will see there is a multiple options. You have to click on the data manager, and now we have to wait to open. So let me wait because my internet is already slow. So yeah, you can see this opening. You can see that whatever your Google Ad account name, my account name is Fazlur Rahman. So you have to click on the manage, and you will see our Google Ads ID. So let's So you can see that our ID has been appeared. Now you have to click here. So you will see this is our Google Ad ID. So you can copy it and provide there. Okay. So yeah. So you have to name this tag. So basically Google, so I can name it as G ads Google. So the name would be G Google ads Google tag. Okay, so you have to save it. So now we just provide the Google tag to link with the Google ID. So basically now we have to create another tag. You have to repeat same method. You have to click on the tag configuration, then go to the Google Ads. So there's you have to click on the conversion linker. Why this tag is must be needed? Because when someone click on our Google Ads and come on our website, so in the URL there would be the GLD ID must be present in the URL, which shows that this user come from the Google. So this tag would preserve your Google Ads code in the URL. Therefore, you must need this linker. So you have just save it, and the you have to name it. So Google Ads linker tag. So you can name according to your facilitation. So there's options you can enable linking cross domain if you are trying cross domain. For example, someone come on your website, and on your website there is another website link, and user click on this link and go to the other website, and you have to click on this and enable the linking. So if you apply all the pages, because I have only one page, so do not need. If you have multiple pages, then you have to click. So do you have to trigger? So I have to trigger all the pages. So let's add it and save this tag. Okay, now we are going to our main tag, which is Google Ad conversion. So you have to click again and click on the tag configuration. There you can see there is a Google Ad. Now this is the our main tag. Main tag we are going to use Google Ad conversion tracking. So this is the Google Ad remarketing. You have to use it when you want to remarketing the audience. When your campaign is remarketing, you are choosing you are choosing those audience which already you have the data, and you want to remarket it. Okay, so you have to click it, and now this you now you will see it require the conversion ID. Basically conversion ID, it is the Google Ad ID we just copied and provide the in the Google tag of the Google Ads. So this is the conversion label. So for each conversion this would be different, and this would be the same for each tag. So how can we collect it for these value, conversion value, transaction ID, currency code? If your conversion is related to purchase, like add to cart, like purchase, then you have to select it and you have to provide this value. If you are, because in our case we are just talking about the button click, so button click do not contain any value, any transaction ID, any currency code, because it does not relate to the purchase event. So now for the collecting the conversion label and the conversion ID, because we know the conversion ID, because I already told you it is the same as we collected from the Google Ads. So basically conversion ID. So the conversion ID, it is this is the conversion ID. You just remove AW and provide this conversion ID, but we would collect it from. So you have to cut out. Now, simply the basic concept is that why we are creating this conversion, because when someone click on our button, and this would be recorded as a conversion. So these conversion would be used to optimize our campaign. So there's a multiple option campaign goals. Now we have two goals, because our goals, because how can we know that how much your campaign is working? You can identify through your goals how much, because these record your conversion. If someone click on the button through the Google Ads, he come on our website, then this record this conversion. So this is goal. Goal mean achievement. So but you can, so these goals would be used to optimize our campaign. So now, so this is your new conversion action. So you have to click on it, and so you, this will be open. So you have to wait few seconds for open. So you can see that there's a multiple option are present. Conversion offline. Conversion offline mean if you are tracking through the CRM like the GHL or the HubSpot or other CRM if you are using, then you have to select this option. So conversion from the phone calls, if your conversion is phone call like this is the conversion on your website. If the conversion happening on your website, then you can choose, because in our case the conversion is happening on our website because someone come on our website and clicking this button. So this conversion is happening on our website. Then you have to choose it. If you are showing the ads and this ads contain the number, then you have to choose this option. Call we upload to, and in this case we are choosing this option. You have to save and continue. Now this as the category, what category types is your conversion. For example, is a purchase. If someone come on your website, or it is a purchase, if someone um, doing the purchase on your website, then you have to click, if he sign up your course or your form or anything else, then you have to subscribe, or there's a multiple option you have to choose according to your demand, according to your button. So basically now this is the simple button. I just a free audit we are giving. So we just choose the begin checkout. So we add to cart or contact. So we can choose it contact basically, because this button click, and we are going to choose this. So no, there is a two option, manually with the code, automatically without the code. Basically, we already discussed there is a third way to to choose the conversion method in the Google Ads. Just this is the automatically without the code. So you have to provide the basically. So in this case, you have to just provide the website URL here, and this specific page where your conversion happening. For example, you are optimizing specific form and your specific landing page, and this form is present on your landing page on your form. So you have to provide the URL. If you select this option, then so if conversion happen on this page, this is a specific landing page, so this will be recorded. But because we are going through the Google Tag Manager, therefore we have to select this option manually code, and done it. So now you can name your conversion, so you can edit it. So you will see. So basically, this is a primary action, secondary action. Primary action, basically these are used to optimize the campaign. The secondary is used to support it, because it is our first conversion. Therefore, they are making it is must be primary because there is a first conversion. If you have the multiple conversion, then you can, there's a option would be parent secondary or the primary. So we can name it. We can change the name. Button click. Okay, because we are using the Google tag, you have to choose it. And these are the two options. For example, if someone come on our website and he clicks the button multiple time, but this is the same user, he just come on our land or website through the Google Ads, he click on the button multiple time, 3 or 4 times. If you want to count every click, if he click on the button, then you have to select every. If you count one, if he multiple 100 times, but you want to count one time, then you have to select this, and done it. So now you have to save and continue. You will see the next option. There's three options: setup, with a Google tag. So you can set up direct Google tag, but we are going with the manually. So you have to choose this option. You can see conversion label, conversion ID. This is the basically same ID we just provided in the tag of the Google. So you have to copy this conversion ID and you have to go to and paste this. So now they are demanding the conversion label. You can see this is the conversion label. Conversion ID would be same for all your conversion tags, but the conversion label would be different. So you have to copy and save it. Okay. So now you have finished this setup here, and you have to scroll down and just finish it. So now our conversion would be appeared. So we will wait to end up. So you can see that contact. Okay, because we currently set up there where this status is not active, but when some conversion happen, some click happen, this conversion would be active. So when you open, so category is contact, and so our button, our conversion name button click, because we change the conversion name. Conversion source is website. All conversion it is zero because no someone click on it. Value, because this is not purchase conversion, therefore the value would be always be the zero. So now we are going to check our tag is working or not. So let's save this. Okay, now we have to provide the trigger for this. So we know that we just already created a trigger for this button click. So you have to click on it and name this tag. Okay, so our tag name would be Google Ads. So let's me add Google Ads button click. Okay, now this is our ad conversion name. You have to save it. Now we are going to preview our tag is working or not. So you have to click on the preview and you will see. So now we have to wait to open our website. So let so you can see our website link already present, but if link is not present, then you have to provide it and click on the connect. So let me see. So you will see that our website page has been opened, and you will see that tag assistant is connecting. So you can see that DOM ready means HTML structure is our loaded, window loaded mean our complete page with the pictures, videos and external links have been loaded. Okay, now I'm going to, so you can see that our to tag already fired because this trigger was page view and initializing as just view the page, so both the tags would be fired, but this tag is linked with the click on the button. So I'm going to click this button, so you will see that our third tag also fired. So you can see that our third tag also fired, but you have to understand the concept that as I click on this button, so this would not count the conversion in the Google Ads, because the conversion only would be counted as someone come on the Google and search the query and see our Google Ads and click on this Google Ads, and through the Google Ads he will come on our website, and then if he click on the button, then this conversion would be counted. Otherwise, if you just come on direct or Facebook or other platform, then you have click 100 times, 1000 times, these would not counted as a conversion. So this is from me. So you can, through the Google Tag Manager, you can set up your conversion. What is your button? It is the just demo. It is a just button click. You can form submit, sign up, purchase, or anything. You can create a conversion through this method. So this is from me. Thank you so much.